Hey, let me ask you something. When was the last time a laptop actually surprised you in a good way? Because the first week with the NIMO 17.3 laptop quietly resets what you expect from a light gaming machine. This is for you if you're the kind of person who wants flexibility without friction. You move between work and play. You want a big screen that doesn't feel clumsy, power that doesn't scream for attention, and performance that just shows up every day without excuses. You're done with machines that almost fit your life. Before you get too comfortable listening, check the current price and availability. Laptops in this sweet spot tend to shift fast, and hesitation usually costs more than moving when it feels right. You probably had that upgrade moment already. The one where your old laptop technically still works, but everything feels slower than it should. Multitasking feels heavier. Light gaming turns into settings compromises. Even simple tasks feel like they're being politely delayed. You didn't need extreme power, you needed breathing room. The first thing you notice after switching is how calm everything feels. Apps open quickly. Switching tasks doesn't punish you. The large display gives you space to think, to work, to relax. You stop leaning forward and squinting. Your shoulders drop. You settle in. Use it for casual gaming and it feels smooth, not strained. Work sessions stretch longer without fatigue. Watching content on that larger screen feels immersive without trying too hard. Even when you're pushing multiple apps at once, it doesn't flinch, it just keeps pace with you. Once you feel that kind of balance, it's hard to accept anything smaller or weaker. And if you're thinking of waiting, keep this in mind, laptops like this don't stay quietly priced forever. Stock changes, demand rises, and suddenly the window closes. If you're worried it's not a real gaming laptop, that doubt fades quickly. It's not trying to be aggressive. It's trying to be capable. And that's exactly why it works so well in real life. Here's the part that sneaks up on you: it feels dependable. You trust it. You stop planning around limitations. You start using it the way you want, not the way your hardware allows. Big screen that feels freeing, performance that stays composed, multitasking feels effortless, comfortable for long sessions, not built for ultra settings gaming. Larger size needs space. Eventually, comparison stops being logical. You don't keep circling options because you're unsure, you circle because you're delaying something you already decided. Check the price, trust the instinct that brought you here, and don't let this turn into one of those upgrades you put off. Then think about every time your current laptop reminds you why you wanted more.